Okay, in this video we're going to use the quadratic formula to solve a quadratic equation. Now, as you can see on screen, what I've written is that for any quadratic equation, as long as it's written from ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In other words, that could be 5x squared minus 2x plus 4 equals 0. You've got to rearrange it. If they don't look like that, you'll rearrange them so that you put them in that order. If they're in the order, then this formula below, x is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, is the quadratic formula. And what we're going to do is you're going to use that quadratic formula to solve this example. And we'll do it here. 2x squared minus 6x plus 1 equals 0. Now I've chosen this one because it doesn't factorise, and so all the tricks and things that we've been using before on factorising won't work here, but we can still solve it. So in this case, what we have to do is compare what we've got with ax squared plus bx plus c, and this will tell us that a is 2, that b is not 6 but negative 6, and c is 1. And then all we have to do is put it into the formula. X equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So I would write it out in full like that, and then probably in the next line would best thing to do is just make a tidy up. So I'm subtracting a negative, so that's positive. Add on the square root of negative 6 times negative 6 is positive 36. Take away 4 times 2 times 1. 36 take away 8 is 28 all over 4. So at this stage here now, we'll notice that we've got the plus or minus. So what we're saying is there are two possible values. You've got x is 6 plus the square root of 28 or 4. Or x equals 6 minus the square root of 28 all over 4. And there's your two solutions. Okay. And at this stage, we don't know what the square root of 28 is. So that's why we'd have to use our calculator. And then we'd need to write down 6 plus the square root of 28 all over 4, which I've done already, is 2.8228 blah blah blah. Let's do 3 significant figures. So it's x is 2.82 to 3 significant figures. So that's one of the solutions, and then the other solution is going to be 6 minus the square root of 28. Nice way of doing this on the calculator is press send, entry, and it brings it back. And then instead of retyping it, you can just put in a minus sign. Press enter, and you've got 0.1771. 0.1771. So x equals 0.1. Yep, sorry about that. 0.177 to 3 significant figures. And it's jumping around all over the place for no apparent reason. But that's okay. 3x done. Oh, nearly done. I'm determined to finish. Voila, finished.